Good morning. Today I am going to discuss quantities and measurements in physics research. Research is the rigorous study in any field of study, doing experiment and investigation. Research in physics have many difficult barriers, and the most difficult one to understand the subject is objective and various quantities in measurements. The field of study in physics deals with nature, its environment, matter, and energy interaction with that. There are many fields of physical science, but the physics is more abstract in nature and not visible to us as we see other things. The experimental methods evolved with time, and now modern day physics is involving modern equipment and research methodology based on theories and formulas for that. Physics is a branch of science that deals with matter, energy, and their interaction. There are many classifications in physics, but the main classes are classical physics. Classical physics deals with deterministic large-scale matter and energy interaction. Quantum physics. Quantum physics deals with more small-scale probabilistic matter and energy interaction. Objective of physics is to know the secret of nature, to know the rules and underlying principles of the phenomenon happening, and to use the rules in developing technology. Units of measurement. A standard value of any quantity comparing with that other quantity will measure is known as units of measurements. For example, the time measurement units is second can be defined as the cesium-133 atom vibration 91926317770 number of complete vibration required time in Cesius atomic clock is known as 1 second. There are different type of unit system, such as MKs, meter, kilogram, and second is the unit of length. Unit of length is meter, mass is kilogram, and time is second is known as SI unit. And CGS system centimeter, gram, second, and FPS foot, pound, second system. The fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Dimensional equation can be defined as the exponential relationship among various fundamental quantities in any derived quantity. For example, velocity is the displacement divided by the time. Therefore, the dimensional equation for velocity is LT inverse 1. For acceleration is LT inverse 2, and for force is MLT inverse 2. The scientific number writing system are sometimes very big and very small number need to use in the scientific data result. In that case, we use the exponential number writing in the power of 10 to the power minus or plus numbers exponential. For example, 100 gram can be written as 100 kilogram, whereas kilo is 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 6 is mega, 10 to the power 9 is giga, 10 to the power minus 12 is tera, 10 to the power minus 3 is milli, 10 to the power minus 6 is micro, and 10 to the power minus 9 is nano. Then how to write the units? While writing any units of measurement with numbers, we need to follow some rules. To write any quantity units with numbers, we need to write numbers first, and then giving space, we need to write units of that quantity. For example, if any object length is 10 meter, then write 10 and then meter. To write a quantity units found by multiplication, we need to give space between two units. To write any derived quantity units found by division, need to write using negative exponent or numbers. Since the symbols of units are not any abbreviation, there are no need to use full stop after that. The suffix of units will always write after units without giving space, and need to write any capital bigger than kilo suffix. Everything will be written in capital. Units of measurements will never be plural and need to write in a single line. Symbol of quantity will be straight and symbol of units will be italic. Number approximation. For measuring any quantity, we get fractional number like 5.236, then we can approximate only write 5.234. That is, we need to add 1 if the decimal digit is bigger than 5. Data and result must be tabulated using precise number and calculation. We must be careful in writing quantity symbol, suffix, and unit symbol in our experimental result, otherwise our experiment findings will become error and useless. Thank you. If you have any question or comment, feel free to contact us in our website and email address. Thank you.